Hey class, this week we are going to be working on our numbers, working on recognizing our numbers, how to recognize our numbers, how to draw our numbers, how to count, using one-to-one correspondence. And so first I'm gonna show you a couple things that will help your kiddo know what their numbers are. So the first one is number 1, and the way that we draw number 1 is we start at the top and we say 1 is fun. Let's do it one more time. 1 is fun. And when I count, I just count like this. 1. And I might even mark it off as I'm counting. In kindergarten we call them excuse me, counting marks. So when I'm counting, I mark it off and I say 1 so that I know that I counted that one. If I'm counting objects, I might move them from one side to the other. So if I'm counting cards, I might 1, 2, right? I'm gonna move them from side to side. Our next number is the number 2. And the way that I remember the number 2 is I go like this. Around and back down the railroad track. That helps me write my 2 the right way. So again, I go around and back down the railroad track. And again, when I'm writing my 2's, or when I'm counting objects on a paper, I use my counting marks. I count out loud 1, 2. For each number I use, I mark it off. The next number is the number 3. And the way that we do this one is around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. So one more time. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way we make a 3. And again, when I'm counting objects on a paper, I use my counting marks. 1, 2, 3. And then when I'm counting objects, I move them from side to side. Our next number is the number 4. And this 4 looks like this, but normally our 4 looks more like this 4. So the way that I draw a 4, and I remember to draw 4, is we go down and over, down some more. That's the way we make a 4. So let's do it one more time. Down and over, down some more. That's the way we make a 4. And I use my kindergarten counting marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? For the number 5, this one is a little bit tricky for a lot of kids, but the way they remember to do this one is we do it with a straight line down and a big fat tummy. Put his hat on, 5 sure looks funny. So let's do it one more time. With a straight line down and a big fat tummy, put his hat on, 5 sure looks funny. And you have to make sure that Mr. 5's hat covers his big round belly. Okay, so straight line down, big fat tummy, put his hat on, 5 sure looks funny. And then we count using our counting marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This helps students organize what they're counting to make sure that they are that they didn't miss any and that they're not counting any objects twice. This unit we're also going to be comparing numbers, whether they're greater than, less than, or equal to, and I will be posting some different little videos so that your kiddo can learn about greater than, less than, or equal to. I hope you have a great day. Good luck learning math this week.